Hey guys, it's Wrestling Dick here for another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you all the open figures that I've got over the year and a bit maybe I've been away. This bag is just full of elites and this bag is full of basics, so you've got a lot of open figures. I also have quite a lot of unopened ones, so keep an eye out for that. But in this video I'm going to, as quickly as possible, try and show you all the figures I've got over a while. So yeah, let's get into it. So we've got a basic R-Truth, got a Paige, an Elite Stephanie, Lana. None of these figures are for sale, or yeah, please don't comment, oh give me this, because that's no, unfortunately. They're for a personal collection. Stardust. There is a lot though. Emma, AJ, Lee, Bailey, Paul Heyman. I think I've already got that one. Yeah, Chris Jericho, and Kofi Kingston. These were mostly bought in a bulk, so that's why I might have some doubles or stuff like that. Sheamus, Alberto Del Rio, Austin Aries, Triple H, Kane. The Divas and the basics are mixed in this one, and the other one's just elites. There's Luke Harper. If I say any names wrong, it's because I'm trying to do it as fast as possible. Let's see. Brie-Bella. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that one. Sin Cara. There's. Oh, I forgot her name. Nah, that was jumped out of my head, I don't know. Renee Young. Oh, I'm getting mad at this one. The Undertaker. The Miz. Yeah, there's quite a lot of figures that I've got. Charlotte. Sasha Banks. Goldust. Eric Rowan. There's Lita. Batista. So, is that Charlotte? I'm not too sure. Rey Mysterio. Ziggler. Dean Ambrose. There's Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, Cody Rhodes with a mustache. There's Naomi. There's one of the Bushwhackers. I don't think I've got the other one. There's Cameron. Basic Roman Reigns. Basic Daniel Bryan. Beard, no, if it focuses. There's Natalia. Nia Jax. I'm going to show you the rest in the box because I'll just keep it in the back of the box. So there's PJ Black, i.e. Justin Gabriel, CM Punk, Basic, The Rock, Jack Swagger, Dean Ambrose, North Carolina, Rey Mysterio, John Cena, Hulk Hogan, glasses, Damon Sandow, Brock Lesnar, and Ted DiBiase, the Great Khali, Big E, Xavier Woods, Santino Marella, Ricky Steamboat, I'm not sure if I already said that one, Ben Sai, Christian? Yeah, right, yeah. I don't know why I hesitated there. Wade Barrett, Chris Jericho, another Damon Sandow, Mason Ryan, Becky Lynch, R-Truth, Chris Jericho, Nikki Bella we're going to go with, Samoa Joe, Cesaro, Big Show, Mankind, is there any more? Yeah, Schwass, Rock, and the River CM Punk, and the Sheamus in there, I think so. So yeah, that's all the basic ones, which, yeah, that's quite a lot for one box. Now I'm going to show you the Elite figures that I've got. I might not mention all of them because some of them are older ones, so I might not know them. But yeah, so we've got Randy Orton, Shane O'Mac, and there's belts and stuff in here as well. I got all these for really cheap, like exceptionally cheap. Like, I think for both boxes, I got these as separate times, but maybe like the figures are probably like £1 each, maybe like $1 each. Like, I just got them in a huge bundle of a guy that I just wanted to sell them quickly, and it's such a good deal. Like, see, when you see some of the figures in here, there's like quite rare ones and everything. So for £1/$1 each, that's unimaginable, really. So we've got Seth Rollins as well, Bray Wyatt, Samoa Joe, Sheamus, Brodus Clay, that's just a basic one, but I think I've already got that one. Pretty sure I do actually. CM Punk, Daniel Bryan, John Cena, Baron Corbin, Ryback, Shinsuke Nakamura, got Hulk Hogan in there, Sami Zayn, JBL, I don't even show his face, JBL, can't remember his name actually, no, I'm not going to guess. Chris Jericho, Kevin Owens, there's Rhino. There's quite recent ones, and I got this quite a while ago, which I was surprised at how recent these are for the price I got them for. But yeah, there's a Rhino in there, not a literal Rhino. There's quite a bit of belts, which are just included as well. So there's a Red WWE one as well, and the old tag team one. So yeah, we've got quite more figures in there. We've got the $1 million belt, got a Sting, got William Regal, got what's his name, Tyler Bate? No, Tyler Bate? No, Ellsworth. Oh, Tyler Bate's the UK one. I see, I've not watched WWE in quite a while now, so unfortunately. There's Rey Mysterio, Ted DiBiase, Kofi Kingston, which is doing well just now. Well, as you see, he's got an NXT title apparently. We've got him, Magnum, I believe. We've got the new one, but quite an old version of Goldust. Rey Mysterio, Razor Ramon, Alberto Del Rio, Wade Barrett, championship belt as well. Got Kurt Angle, and I think that's an entrance great or something, I believe. So yeah, and once again, amazing price for all this. The cruiserweight division, yeah, cruiserweight champion Lex Luger. Got Bobby Ray Dudley. What am I? Well, these are a lot of names. That's why I'm getting confused. But yeah, Mankind. Got Ric Flair from the, I think it's a 4-pack. Comes in. Got HBK. We've got Bruno. I'm not going to say his full name, but yeah, Triple H. A Psycho Sid. Got Big Boss Man. The Miz. Didn't show his face there. Got another. Oh, we've got Bret Hart here for a Hart Foundation. Got another one from Anderson from the 4-pack as well. Got another John Cena. Got Stone Cold Steve Austin. X-Pac. I remember the Hart Foundation. Nate Hart. Ricky Roode. Cesaro. Ken Shamrock. Rusev. Macho Man. Roman Reigns Elite. I quite like this face scan actually. What else we got in there? Got Dean Ambrose Elite. Got Neville. which I've kind of wanted as well. Dolph Ziggler, a few more in there, so there was quite a lot, and all these were like, maybe like $100 for a whole lot. Nah, I'm lying, maybe like 120 or something, so maybe like, yeah, £120, maybe like $150 all in, so it's like £1, $1 per figure, like that's amazing. We've got Braun Strowman here, no words there. Dean Ambrose again, just a different one. AJ Styles. We've got Finn Balor here. His leg's a bit broken, and the guy did mention it, but for that price, you know what I mean, I still took it. I took it all on for that price, yeah. Member of APA. Goldberg, and that's the one that comes with Elite's ring, so he's quite rare as well. Got Brian Pillman. I couldn't tell you, but he's from the 4-pack as well. Roddy Piper. We've got The Rock, but his face has changed. If anyone knows like what face that is, because I've tried to look, I don't know if that's another The Rock figure or what, but I can't really tell. It doesn't even, like, kind of resembles The Rock, kind of doesn't. But I think this is the figure, the Elite 22 figure with a head swap. Not a good one actually. And we've got Brock Lesnar as well, and the final one as well, just because I'm not sure about this one either. It's a Batista, and I think it's meant to be Elite 6 Batista or something, but that's not an Elite figure face, surely. Looks smaller and just looks bad, really. It's a cool figure overall, but looks overall a little bit fake, this one. So if anyone knows like what figure this is, or if that is how it's supposed to look, let me know. But yeah, that's all the figures all the open figures anyway that I've got over there in a bit. I'll show you all the unopened ones in another video, and I'll show you a whole collection in a different video. If this video gets 10 likes, then I'll make a video showing you my whole collection of the open figures. And for people being like, oh, he's just showing his whole collection of open figures, this is not my whole collection, for comparison. So that's the box of the open figures that you've seen for a year. This is the box that I have. This is my actual figures, along with these and these. So just to show you in comparison, that's a lot of figures. So yeah guys, like this video and be sure to check out the next one. If you are interested in a giveaway, I should be doing one soon as well. Probably giving away an NXT Elite figure or something. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye guys.